Hello and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox shaders not working. So if you're experiencing issues with Roblox shaders not working, here are the few steps you can try to resolve the problem. So first, you need to check compatibility to ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox shaders. Shaders require a certain level of graphics processing power, so make sure your GPU supports shader technology and that your drivers are up to date. Next one is you need to enable shaders. In Roblox, you go to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right of the screen. Under the settings tab, check if the shaders option is enabled. If it is enabled, toggle it on and restart Roblox to see if the shaders start working. Next, you need to update graphic drivers. Outdated or incompatible graphic drivers can cause issues with shaders. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific model and install the updated drivers and restart your computer. So, next is to reset Roblox settings. In Roblox, you go to the settings menu and click the reset all settings button. This will revert all settings back to their default values, including shaders. Restart Roblox and check if the shaders are start working. Next is to disable third-party modifications. If you have any third-party modifications or mods installed for Roblox, disable or remove them. Because sometimes mods can conflict with shaders or cause other issues. And run Roblox in its original, unmodified state to see if the shaders work properly. Next is to check DirectX and OpenGL. Roblox shaders rely on DirectX and OpenGL technologies. Ensure that you have the latest version of DirectX and OpenGL installed on your computer. You can download and install them from the official Microsoft and OpenGL websites. Next is to reinstall Roblox. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox. This can help resolve any corrupted or missing files that may be causing the shader issues. And after reinstalling, enable shaders and see if they start working. And the last one, contact Roblox support. If the problem persists, it is recommended to reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or investigate any known issues related to shaders. Remember that shaders in Roblox can vary depending on the game you're playing and the specific shaders used by the developers. Because some games may have their own settings or requirements for shaders. So just be sure to check the specific game's documentation or forums for any additional instructions or troubleshooting steps. That is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye.